So the App Engine documentation is incomplete. For example, the NDB docs, so NDB is a Python library for the data store,
Yep.
remain minimal and rarely document possible errors. Anything you can do about this? Or is there other places I should be looking?
Well, I guess really one of the standard answers for this is to go to Stack Overflow. You're going to find documentation, people talking about things that are undocumented or not so well documented, providing examples and such like on Stack Overflow. Pretty much everything anybody's tried to do is going to be documented on Stack Overflow. Things that have worked, things that haven't worked. So you can probably find good answers there. If you want to contribute information as well, Stack Overflow is not just for questions, it's also for sharing information as well. So if you actually have some useful information, something you've written about, something you've documented, you can share that on Stack Overflow as well. Yep. I think that'd be a good place to put it. And it also stops it from being spread around everywhere. I mean, we could have multiple places where people could go to find different documentation. So that kind of ad hoc documentation really probably is best placed in Stack Overflow.
Yep. I kind of think of the App Engine core documentation as kind of the reference material, the baseline.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's JavaDoc or PyDoc to the methods that may help a little bit further. But some of these, like how do I use this specifically, Stack Overflow is a great place to go. And we do sometimes, if we find that there's a lot of questions around a particular area in Stack Overflow, we do go and update the documentation and maybe add some clarification.
Right.
So that's definitely a place to contribute.
Yeah, definitely. Excellent. Okay.